Short lunch break. This is different kinds of organic lettuce from Publix, like kale and spring mix. There's no spinach, but they usually have spinach and arugula. And then I got some sauerkraut in here and some hemp seed for protein. And then I got some nuts here. Cranberry, pistachios, and these macadamias. I love these macadamias. I could eat this all day long. But just want to show you the progress. I put the new radiator in there. Now I just gotta align the transmission cooler up with the radiator and bolt that to the radiator. And the rest should be pretty straightforward. Not that bad. So I just wanted to give a little update. Alright. I did bend that bracket down there to be a little bit better, to be a little bit more. But there's some room. This radiator fits in like a grommet down here, right here. There's a grommet right here and here. So, yeah, that's it. So, just remember, if you do what Jesus tells you to do, it'll be okay. And I'll probably do a final video after this, just showing everything before I put the top on, I guess, just to kind of show it that it's done. Okay, God bless you.